Let's review the assignment for Module 2. I've created an instructor draft copy which you can review and see what I've done. So I will give you access to this link. Remember, don't copy this as your workbook assignment. This is not your template. This is now my copy that I'm going to use. So you can click on Module 2. Assignment. Okay, so you'll see that I don't have the Canvas written down as the traditional Canvas. It's actually written down in this format where it's the problem you solve, customer segment, etc. If you want to use the more traditional Canvas, Lean Canvas, you can go there and click. There's a document that you can work from there. So for the workbook, I just have it written down. So here is simply how I would complete this for my coffee shop. The problem that you solve is customers want, I wouldn't even say customers, I would say need caffeine fast. That's their problem. The customer segment are busy professionals on their way to and from work. Okay, people that want their stuff fast. So this is your primary customer segment. There's plenty of other people that can buy coffee from you, but this is just saying who you're going to primarily focus on. So this is really important, especially when we talk about channels later on. If we're going to use Facebook marketing ads, then we can talk about the busy professionals on their way to and from work that live nearby, right? So Facebook marketing, I'm going to jump to channel, and I'm going to say Facebook marketing, and I'm also going to say that deliver coffee through a small drive-through coffee stand. Okay, so the two channels, there's usually two, where you let people know about your product or service and where you actually deliver the product. The solution to your problem is a small drive-through coffee stand, right? That is quick. The unique value is quick coffee fast. That is unique value. Okay, so a lot of these can be repeated throughout. The competitive advantage is our company doesn't pay for high costs of large retail space or lots of employees. Focus on fast coffee only. So it's a lean canvas. So we're not trying to solve every problem for all the types of customers. We're really focusing on this. So now we don't pay as much as other larger coffee shops. We're just paying for what we need in order to deliver the product that our customers want. So the revenue stream is customers paying for coffee. The cost structure is rent, employees. So we're listing the main costs of our business. Rent, employees, let's see, the coffee or products we sell. We have to pay for those. What else is there? You know, basic overhead like insurance. You know, what else is the main cost? Marketing for Facebook ads. Okay. The key metrics that we want to cover is number of customers per month, number of repeat customers. Let's see, what else do we want to track? We probably want to track profit per month and customer satisfaction. So we can figure out how we're going to track that, but if I had this every month and I understood how this was going, then I'd understand how well this business model goes. This is as simple as we can do it, okay? Now the business plan, we can expand on this. We could create 3 or 4 of these different locations across the city, and that might be a plan that we want to franchise later on and do lots of other things. So remember, the business model is not the plan. It's just stating how you're going to make money in the leanest possible fashion, okay? And is there anything else? That's it. So if you complete the business model canvas, that's it. Submit that and we will get you some feedback on that. All right.